Hey, there's my seat. And sit on down. Got this little Joe. I'm ready to get down. How y'all doing? Hit that like button for me, would you? I'd really appreciate it. If you could subscribe, appreciate that too. That's the biggest support I could ever ask from you right there. Thank you so much. Ready? I wonder if y'all can help me catch this mule. Whoa, mule. Here we go. Whoa, mule, whoa, whoa, mule, I say, I ain't got time to kiss you now, my mule's running away. But I have me an old banjo, strung up a twine, the only song that I can sing. I wish the gal was mine, wish the gal was mine, wish the gal was mine, the only song that I can sing. I wish the gal was mine. Took her out to the barnyard, I took her out to supper. She got choked on a turkey leg and I rolled her nose in butter. Roll her nose in the butter, boys, roll her nose in butter. She got choked on a turkey leg and I rolled her nose in butter. Whoa, mule, whoa, whoa, mule, I say, I ain't got time to kiss you now, my mule's running away. Face looks like a coffee pot, your nose looks like a spout, and you look like a fireplace with all the ashes out, with all the ashes out, all the ashes out. You look like a fireplace with all the ashes out. Whoa, mule, whoa, whoa, mule, I say, I ain't got time to kiss you now, my mule's running away. Say now, whoa, mule, you kick the mule, whoa, mule, I say, I ain't got time to kiss you now, my mule's running away. Until next time, I shall see you when I see you. And I just realized I'm missing a bracket on my banjo. I just looked down and noticed it was gone. This old Joe, I'm going to play it till it splinters. And it's literally just falling apart. Alright guys, till next time, I shall see you when I see you.